Say something. What are we doing?
We're walking to Mbazwana. We need to go do some stuff there related to the car accident. But while we're there, we're going to do shopping, and yeah, we're just going to show you how a life in a Zulu's life is getting supplies and getting into town.
Yes.
So we're basically 15 kilometers away from town. This is how it looks from here to there. Sand roads. So yeah, enjoy the ride.
About a boy, about a girl, you write nothing else we can hear. How it sounds, it's all about yourself. Every time, there's a boy, there's a girl every time. You've been always like, please don't help me. Hiding in the grass so damn we see. Sinking to the couch like 43s. Yeah, we get it done like do re mi. Let it go, talking more like get bored, we know it all like think we're lucky to hear what you've been writing down. Yeah right, we know we're the lucky few with something to write about. Yeah, that's right, not a boy, but a girl, you write nothing else we can hear. How it sounds, it's all about yourself. Every time, there's a boy, there's a girl.
This time we're in a bakkie or a car since the car accident. I'm already car sick.
Ja, we moest nou nie gesê het, maar nou weet ek het ook.
Yes, so yeah, scary stuff. Let's hope we don't crash again.
No, don't even say stuff like that.
We be shooting for 60 this year, not 16 but 610. Everything we write, that shit don't make up. Why you gotta bore everybody with your breakup? Stop, get no, you slow, give them more like get bored, we know it all like think we're lucky to hear what you've been writing down. Yeah right, we know we're the lucky few with something to write about. Yeah, that's right, not a boy, but a girl, you write nothing else we can hear. How it sounds, it's all about yourself. Every time, there's a boy, there's a girl every time.
So how do you feel that we made it?
We're alive. It's the most important. We survived.
Yes. How are you feeling?
A little bit car sick, but it's fine.
Say something about the taxi.
Yes, it was very exciting. Bongani was crying the whole time.
Okay, and that's the taxi that brought us here. Okay, talking on camera, if I don't like it, we're getting fish.
Excuse?
If I don't like it, we're getting fish.
Fish.
Yes.
What about-
Funny fish and chips. So, nie kan eet nie.
I can't hear. Sorry.